Okay, so as you know that we are meeting very first time, so could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Rachna Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my graduation. I am married. I have two kids, and yeah, I am a house manager. Nowadays, I am learning this language. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, that's amazing. Great to know that. Uh, okay, you are housewife. So recently you completed your graduation, right?
Not recently.
Okay.
It's a I completed my graduation 2000 yeah 7 yeah 6 you can say.
Oh, 2007.
Yeah, it's a long gap you
Okay.
can say.
So, how long have you been learning this English language?
Not particular time, and when I started my YouTube channel before 4 months, then I focused too much language. It's a like a subject when my elder one started going to school that time. Yeah.
Okay, okay, very nice.
Yeah,
So,
so sir, I know about
yeah,
you.
yeah. Of course. Let me introduce myself. This is
Mm-hmm.
Bishawan Rana. I hail from Uttarakhand.
Mm-hmm.
And regarding my professions, I am a government teacher, LT English. I
Mm-hmm.
teach up class 10th standard students. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like, as far as my academic credential is concerned, so
Mm-hmm.
I am, you know, postgraduate, like MA English. When it comes to
Mm-hmm.
my family, so my family consists of 10 members, like joint family. I have two kids. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So apart from my teaching, I'm also YouTuber. Yeah, I'm
Wow.
running my channel, which is based
Mm.
on English video conversation. Yeah, so that's followed me. Thank you.
That's amazing. Oh my God, too much talented you are.
Not all, not
How
so. What? Yeah, yeah. Carry on.
uh, how you teach like in your class you say you told me you are teacher and English teacher. So in your class the student is able to speak English, they can speak English.
Not at all. Use
Mm-hmm.
as you know that I belong to Uttarakhand state, which is hilly state, and
Yeah, these you know. Uh-huh.
yeah, basically I belong to Uttarkasi district. I am teaching in another district like Tiri district. Here is
Mm-hmm.
hilly place. So most
Mm-hmm.
of students are not able to speak English because they
Mm-hmm.
are like they belong to like they are like they are not able to speak in proper way. But yeah, when I started my YouTube channel, since then until now, I motivate them again and again. You have to speak me. If you have no knowledge, you are speaking a broken language, no matter. But try to speak
Yes,
with me. If you will
yes,
try to speak with me little by little, you try to make different kind of sentences. So definitely one day you will be able to speak English in good and perfect way. But it's need a
yes,
practice. If you
yes,
practice every day with me, so definitely you will converse with lots of people. So some
yes,
students, and whenever I just teach in my classroom, so some students are able to understand, but some are not able to understand English in proper way. So that's
mm-hmm.
why I just let them
Like they are 10 standard, you are teaching 10 standard student.
6 to 10.
Are you
Yeah,
teaching 10 standard you student?
of course, sixth,
6 to
tenth.
10. So yeah, so they are like a big, they're not small kids. Yeah. So what mean thought you used to teach them, like if you are like English teacher and you teach like subject, yeah, like language.
Mostly, I got to teach like lesson, grammatical portion. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
whenever I teach to my students, then I also talk in English every time. And nowadays, every time I'm just encourage them, talk to me.
Mm-hmm.
If you have no knowledge, if whenever I teach you, while like teaching your lesson and grammatical portions, so then I converse with them like English as well. So nowadays, really, they are just taking interest whenever I teach
Yeah.
them. Yeah.
Uh,
So mainly for I just focus on my chapter and vocabulary and form of sentence and grammatical portion as
yes,
well.
yes. Okay, yeah, that's great. So yeah, if anyone want be fluent in this language, what they do? It's my question.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Yeah, very first, if you want to be a very good kind of speaker,
Mhm,
you will have to follow different kind of technique. Very
mhm,
first, as per my perspective is that if you want to really
mhm,
consistent and
mhm,
dedicated to learn this language, and every single day if you converse more than two and three people, doesn't
mhm.
matter that it's necessary to talk with the two and three people, not at all. But yeah, if you
Yes.
just get time, only half an hour, but every single day
Mhm,
if you talk a half an hour, and
mhm,
you are consistent and dedicated, if you have a passion, you are full
mhm.
of desire, you are ambitious kind of like to learn this language, so I'm pretty sure that one day you will be able to speak this language. And apart from this, nowadays different kind of applications are available, different kind of broadcasts are also available. So
Yes,
most of
yes,
people are using different kind of application, hybrid application, Ace Fluency, CBF, Bangre, Jostock, lots of
yes. Yeah, for talking.
applications are
Yes,
available, and
yes,
broadcast also available. So that's why nowadays in the modern age, so different their kind of different kind of applications and platform are available nowadays. So we
yes.
can converse, yeah, like this.
Yeah, that's very good.
Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, okay, would you tell me something about your hobbies? Your
Yeah,
hobbies.
my hobby. These days, my only hobby become be very good speaker in this language. Yeah, and not extra anything. And yeah, whenever I get time, so I try to learn this language.
Okay, very nice, very nice. I'm really delighted and elated because you are also running your YouTube channel. You are YouTuber. You are learning this language. That is it's a very what we can say initiative. Whenever I just talk with different kind of persons, so we get a knowledge, like we boost up our confidence level in a good and perfect way,
Yes, yes,
like improve our confidence, and enhance our knowledge, our
yes,
vocabulary as well, pronunciation as well. So that's why it's a very good kind of platform for all the beginner and learner.
yes. If
That's why.
अगर आप लैंग्वेज में फ्लुएंट होना चाहते हैं, तो मतलब आपको बिल्कुल श्योर है कि प्रैक्टिस करनी ही पड़ेगी, नहीं तो फिर नहीं हो सकते भाई बिना बोले। Yes,
Sure, sure.
yeah,
But language, very well that this language is full of what we can say very massive kind of language. ये language इतनी विस्तृत है, and somebody think that I will learn this language within 6 months and in 1 year. Not at all.
yeah, not
From
at
my
all. You
point of we will have to follow different kind of step for learning this language. बहुत सारे स्टेप हमको लेने पड़ते हैं, इतने सारे स्ट्रक्चर हैं कि
yes,
इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में उसके हमको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, चाहे वो क्या बड़ी हम कई बार याद करते हैं different kind of vocab, but we are not able to use those kind of word while speaking this language.
you know,
So consist
I not like learn, you can say I not learn कि मैं याद करके नहीं बैठती हूँ, you know, I only try to speak. And yeah, whenever I रट्टा मारना word से means कि मैं इसको रट बोलूंगी, तो I forget that word. So that's why I not try like this, like मैं इसको रट लूंगी फिर मैं बोलूंगी, no. उसको अंडरस्टैंड होके समझ के मतलब बात करके मतलब इंसान ज्यादा बोल सकता है कि जैसे आपसे हम बात कर रहे हैं, आप ऐसे वर्ड को यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वो आ जाता है। इफ एनीवन थिंक कि लाइक मैं रट लूंगा फिर बोलूंगा, तो वो उस टाइम नहीं आएगा वो चीज, जब आप
बिल्कुल
बात
सही.
करो नहीं आएगा कि डायरेक्ट। तो इसलिए रटना जरूरी नहीं है, आई थिंक।
Yeah, whenever you just learn different kind of vocab, suppose that you learned and mug up 20 words,
यस,
you are not able to use those kind of words, so really what the importance of learning those kind of words? But
यस,
अगर आपने if you just learned only 5 words and 2 words,
यस,
and you try to use those kind of words while speaking English language, so definitely it means you utilized those kind of
यस,
words.
यस,
तो
डेफिनेटली।
आपने जितने वर्ड याद किए उनको यूज करने की कोशिश करनी है, तो दैट्स आई थिंक गुड फॉर द लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज.
Yes. You know, it's a long process learning any language. Like when we learn Hindi, so I don't know, we are taking there how much long time, like we took there for 5 years, 6 years. and
Yeah.
I remember. So it's a long process. Gradually, we learn. Like today, I learn new things, and tomorrow I will learn next new things. So yeah, it's gradually we learn. So it's there is not a trick. Just how much you know, so you start speaking. I think like if you know little, so you start speaking and using those words and make conversational. There are lots of app like a video, if you want to make video call and audio call, so you can join there. So yeah, we learn like this, not any medicine and not any trick to learn any language, I think.
Doesn't matter that you are watching different kind of videos, but yeah, that is also helpful. But you will have to use also those kind of words which you are
Yes,
learning. आप एक
yes,
वीडियो देख रहे हैं, उससे कुछ आप सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो ट्राई टू यूज दोज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर while learning this language, while speaking
yes,
this language. तो
yeah.
आप अगर बहुत में उनको यूज करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप यू आर एबल टू स्पीक दोज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड.
You are watching conversational videos, so if someone asks questions, so you try to give answer your own word, like and not in your mind, like loudly watch that video. I did like this, and sometime I also do whenever I watch any videos. So if anyone asks questions, not me, like I am watching that video, so I pause my video, then I try to give answer my own way. Then I listen next to what they give answer and how they use that structure and how they speak. So it's a good thing if anyone do like this. and
Yeah,
uh,
yeah.
and by speaking, if anyone want to speak, so without speaking they not able to speak. Like if
Speaking,
some, yeah,
yeah, speaking comes from speaking. Whenever you speak, so definitely you feel and you realize yourself, okay, I'm just trying to speak. Yeah.
yeah. So if someone learn grammar and all vocabs, everything, and they think, okay, when I done everything, then I start speaking. So they face problem there. Like we learn everything, but until we not speak, so we not able to speak.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, it happens. Sentence structure is also very essential while learning this language.
Yes,
But we have to, try to speak. Try to speak. Those things are very important.
yes,
Speak as much as you can. Very first, listen as much as you can, and
yes,
thereafter, speak as much as you can. जितना आप ज्यादा बोल सकते हो, जितना आप बोलोगे, उतना आप क्या आपकी लैंग्वेज अच्छी बनती है.
yes.
तो मतलब है सुनना और बोलना.
Yeah, like kids, when kids start learning, like first they listen a lot of things, means everything kids listen, and then they start speaking single word, mama, dadi, baba, papa, means they start speaking single word. Then they start joining, and sometimes how much they do mistakes. So it happen if anyone want learn this language. So it happen, but yeah, without speaking, they not able to speak. Where you stay right now, so you should start speaking.
Of course, of course.
And not any trick there ki I use that trick and I give you that trick, so you start speaking. I also did lots of practice, and still I am doing, and it's just speaking, nothing. And if anyone speak this language, so they give lot of time, means they gave their, like you told me very a long time you started your speaking journey. So yeah, like this. And if anyone be fluent in this language, and means they are not our mother tongue, this is not our mother tongue, so they did lots of practice, and otherwise they have environment, so they start speaking. And if
Yeah,
anyone not environment, so it's need too much practice, I think.
yeah. We will have to create atmosphere. Atmosphere is better. If you have no atmosphere, then even then you have to try. There are different kind of
Yeah,
technique like recording. You just record mirror techniques as well. Different kind of things platform are available. If but very first we'll have to consistent, like
yes,
punctual kind of. If every day we are punctual and converse half an hour and 1 hour, so
mm.
certainly you will be able to speak this language very easily.
we see magic. Like when I started conversational videos, so after 1 month I see magic. Like suddenly English coming my mouth. Like I speaking with them Hindi, if anyone. So suddenly English come. So I say, oh my God, how it magic? So it magic only by speaking, I think.
Why not? Why not? जितना आप बोलोगे उतना आपके लैंग्वेज में निखार आएगा. It's a
Right.
certainly happens. It happens. But someone, a newcomer like that, when a newcomer just try to speak with people, so if like he feel that, oh, really I'm not unable, mind goes like blank, hesitation, lack of confidence, how to build up my confidence. So initially it happens, but gradually, little by little, when you take steps, and thereafter you feel yourself, oh, I'm just going in a good way, I'm just trying to speak very fluently. So it
Yes.
takes time. Takes time,
Yes.
yeah.